Hello and good morning, students. Let us start another chapter of Unit 1, Marigold. The name of the second chapter is Wonderful Waste, written by Indrate Mukherjee. The theme of the chapter is Waste can be quite useful. In what ways waste can be useful, we will find out after reading this story. Let us begin with the first paragraph. Once the Maharaja of Travancore, a region stretched over the states of Kerala and Tamil Nadu, ordered a grand dinner in his palace. In order to assure that all preparations are going smoothly and efficiently, he went to the kitchen in the afternoon in order to check and survey the dishes prepared for the feast. Now, the new words to learn in this paragraph: survey, conduct, analyze. Feast means large special meal, usually a celebration. So while the king was serving the dishes, what he noticed, on seeing the remainings of the vegetables, the king asked the cook, pointing to those vegetable scraps, what you are going to do with these vegetable scraps, the remaining of the vegetables. The cook replied at once, they are waste. I will throw them away as they are no use to us. When the cook called the scraps as waste, the king thought for a while and then advised the cook that he should not even waste a small piece of vegetable. He commanded him to use them sternly. Strictly, he commanded him to use those vegetable scraps in some way. He said that I don't know how you are going to use them, but they should not be wasted. These vegetable scraps should be used in some way in today's feast. New words: sternly, strict manner, bit, a small piece. Moving to the fourth paragraph. The cook wasn't fixed. Now the cook got confused that how to use these scraps. He kept staring at the vegetable peels for some time and then wondering how to use this waste in any way. He suddenly got an idea. An idea flashed in his mind. Now what will be his idea? How he is going to use the vegetable scrap, the remaining of the vegetables? We will see this in the next part. Till then, hello students, in the first part of the story Wonderful Waste, we saw how the king commanded the cook to use even the vegetable scrap in some way. The cook got some idea. Let's see what the cook is planning to do with these vegetable scraps. The cook collected all the vegetable bits, that is pieces, washed and cleaned them properly to remove dirt and soil from them. Moving to the sixth paragraph. Afterwards, he cut them into long strips, long pieces. Placing them in a huge pot, he placed the pot on the fire to cook. Now, just placing the fire to cook was not going to give him some new recipe or a new delicious taste. In order to get some new unique recipe and to give some taste to the recipe, he added a fine paste of fresh coconut, green chilies and garlic together to the dish, along with a pinch of salt. Soon after, within few minutes, a soothing smell started to come out from the pot. New words to learn here: strips, fine long pieces, soothing, here delicious, smell. Move to paragraph 7. Now he whipped and beaten some curd and added to the curry. He also poured a few spoons of coconut oil to the pot with curry leaves. Lo and behold means surprisingly, at last the new dish was ready, with fine smell, fine spices and ingredient added to it. It was all looking good. New words: whipped means beaten. Lo and behold, a phrase meaning surprisingly. Moving to the 8th paragraph, let's see, was the dish liked by everyone? In the evening, the dish was served to every guest present in the feast. Everyone liked the dish and were delighted to know the name of the new dish. To cook's dilemma, he has prepared the dish for the first time. How could he name it? He thought for a while and gave it a name. The name given to dish was avial. In a short period of time, avial became famous all over Travancore and the whole state of Kerala. Avial is now one of the dishes in a traditional Kerala feast. And wonder, it is a dish which came all from a basket of waste. So children, did you notice how waste can be quite useful? The quick use of intelligence by the cook and some added flavors made a waste a delightful dish. So let us also try doing some activity using a waste as today's assignment. Your work is pick up any waste material found in your house and try to make it a fine craft using the things you have at home, and share your creativity with your friends and parents. Thank you.